series modular incinerating units. These units can be custom built to fit any of your wastewater needs. So this particular unit is going to be headed out to Western Australia for one of our big customers, Rio Tinto. It's going to be applied on a mining site where there's roughly 50 plus employees at any given time. What it's going to be used for is to dispose of all wastewater on this mining site, such as your black water and your gray water. So showers, sinks, toilets, laundry, things of that nature. Other applications that this unit would be good for would be oil and gas, mining, you've got military defense, as well as disaster relief. This is where it all starts. You're going to have an exterior holding tank on this specific job site that it's going to be going on. And it'll pump from their holding tank on site into this 500-gallon tank. This tank is equipped with level sensors, so you can, on your settings, set your incinerator units to where when it hits 50%, it's going to communicate with your incinerator, and from there it's going to let it know that, hey, we're about to start the incineration process. It's going to go from the holding tank, work its way down through the pipe here into the macerator pumps, and then where it chops up all your waste, and then it'll eventually make its way into the burn chambers where it's incinerated. Depending on the capacity and the consumption of these units, you can burn one at a time, depending on how much waste you're needing to incinerate that day, or you can run all 6 of them at a time. So if you've got just a couple guys on your job site, you know, we can custom build these things with just 1 or 2 incinerators, but this specific job site is going to have so many people, it needs to process up to about 2,000 gallons per day. Say one of the units goes down and you need to service it, you're not going to have issues where you're going to have to shut down the unit and then you have your holding tanks backing up and you're not going to be able to get rid of your waste. So if one unit goes down, you'll still have, say, 5 other units running. Your control panel here is where you're going to be able to monitor and change all kinds of different settings. These have Bluetooth capabilities to where it can be monitored from a remote location. You can get emails, text messages. It'll let you know where the levels of your fuel would be, where your waste tank is. These units can be taken all over the world in many different environments. We've had units installed in Antarctica, again in Australia, so anywhere from the desert to coldest climates in the world. Each unit is equipped with an alarm in case of any issues that it may be low on fuel. Your burn chamber may be full of ash. It may need servicing or something like that. And if so, the siren above me is going to go off. And when it does, you go back into the unit and you can see a red light, which is going to indicate which unit is in need of servicing or needs fuel, needs a burn chamber emptied, so on and so forth. If you're currently having to transport waste via pump-out trucks resulting in high logistical costs, or need alternative septic solutions due to government regulations, we have a solution for you.